Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to factory reset both Airdopes Unity ANC. Okay, to factory reset, first keep out both earbuds from the charging case, and here you can see CTC available. Now press the both CTC simultaneously 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, and you can see red LED light blinks 1 to show that the factory reset completed. Now keep it inside the charging case, close it, wait for a few seconds, and keep it out. Okay, now the boAt Airdopes Unity ANC are successfully factory reset. So guys, this is the method to factory reset boAt Airdopes Unity ANC easily. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query related to this video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe, and come back on for the latest updates.